guys, welcome to the Urban Canteen. My name is Paul. This is the Easter week special. We've got another epic recipe for you. This one, trust me kids, you are going to love this. Who doesn't love ice cream, right? Oh, it's too good. Stick around. Okay, so parents, I know what you're thinking. Ice cream, are you crazy? I can't be giving my kids that all the time. But we are doing an ice cream, not an ice cream. So the base of our ice cream is going to be frozen bananas. Again, you can change this into any kind of flavour you like. I'm going with a banana and nut butter one. This nut butter from Mindful Bites is a Brazil nut and cacao one, so it's kind of really chocolatey. So good. You need to check this out. Trust me, don't go anywhere. Okay guys, so like I said, the epic thing with this is we've literally only got a couple ingredients. And your good old NutriBullet or Ninja or food processor, whatever you've got, just to blitz it up. It's super easy, done in a couple of minutes. You're going to love this one. Let's do it. So, first things first, all we're going to use is 3 bananas. Let's crack these open. And remember, head chefs, this is what your commie chefs is for. They're the ones to do all the hard work for you. Unpeeling bananas, all the jobs you don't want to do, you just give it to them. Okay, so once the bananas are peeled, we're going to chop them up into little bits and we're going to put them in the freezer just to freeze and firm up a fair bit. So for me, you can use a reasonable container with a lid if you like, or I use a sandwich bag. So all we're going to do, it doesn't have to be that small, just into chunks like this. Nice and easy. Okay, so once that's done, pop them into your bag. Okay, we're going to seal that up. We're going to pop this bag into the freezer, let it freeze, maybe take an hour, up to 2 hours maybe. We're going to pull them out as soon as they're firmed up, gone hard, that's when we're going to whiz it up and have fun. Okay guys, as if by magic again, they're frozen, lovely jubbly, so all we're going to do, we're going to pop these into our NutriBullet. I'm going to put a little drop of vanilla essence into this. And at this stage, if you kind of wanted to make a chocolate one, you could put in some cocoa powder. Any flavour you want really. You could put some peppermint oil in there, make it like a mint one. You could chuck in some nuts, you could chuck in anything you like. Put a bit more vanilla in, you could scrape some fresh vanilla in there, make it a nice vanilla one. Again, whatever ice cream you like, you can pretty much make the base from this. So now all we're going to do, screw the top on and get blitzing. Now what you'll find is that you'll kind of have to blitz it, take it off, give it a shake, blitz it, and do this a few times. But there's another really important thing you need to follow. It's kind of 3 main steps and it's very, very important to this. So the first one is that that's number 1, okay? Very important you follow that. The second step is, again, this is very serious, don't miss this step out, but what you make sure you need to do is that so as long as you follow that second step, you'll be fine. And the third step, most important of all, don't ever as long as you follow that third step, I swear, this will be amazing. So yeah, most important thing is, as you can see, it gets a bit clumpy, so you just give it a nice shake, like this. You can undo it, give it a little scrape if you like, put it back on, just give it another. Okay, so once you've done that a few times guys, you'll find that it all gets combined, and when you open it up, oh my gosh, we've got just a bowl full of deliciousness. So what I like to do is scoop this, oh my gosh, look at that! Then I scoop all of this, oh yes, into a little container that you can pop back in the freezer. So at this point, you could serve it straight up. You've kind of got like a Mr. Whippy type consistency, or you can put it back in the freezer in a container, lid it up, and then it'll obviously freeze a little bit more solid, and then you can scoop it with a baller if that's what you want to do. But at this point, I'm going to add some Mindful Bites Brazil nut and cacao nib. Like I said, this is just amazing. It's a quality product, absolutely amazing. And this one has got to be one of my favourites. So chocolatey. I'm going to put a spoon of that in. Look at this. Remember, head chefs, all you children out there, that's your responsibility. You need to lick that. That's your responsibility. And all we're going to do is swirl this up. It doesn't have to be mixed up properly. You kind of want it like a nice ripple effect. Oh my gosh. Right. And all we're going to do is pop that back in the freezer. That's my responsibility. So yeah, that is good. That is so good, in fact, I'm probably not going to tell my children about that. Don't judge me. That's just too good to share. Pop it back in the freezer and they'll be ready half an hour to ball up and devour. Okay guys, 30 minutes later, it's set that little bit more. The only thing left to do is to take a bowl and scoop and enjoy. Oh my good golly. Should we do one more? And there we have it guys. A banana and chocolate nut butter, nice cream. No refined sugars, it's literally just the sugars from the banana, some good quality nut butter in there, and you've got a perfect ice cream. How quick and easy was that to make? The only thing left to do is to eat it. Guys, if you like this recipe, make sure you stay tuned for the rest of the week. This was so good. It's an amazing, easy one. No rubbish in there. Very nutritious. If you like this recipe, come and check out all the other ones I've got at theurbancanteen.com. You can find me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Twitter. Ask me questions, come and be social, say hi, let me know if you've tried the recipe and if you enjoyed it. Give me that big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe on the YouTube channel so you don't miss any more epic recipes. Until then guys, enjoy!